Hey guys, Animist Travels and Travels with Animist here. Just want to let you guys know that there's going to be a new Epic Mickey game called Epic Mickey Rebrushed coming September 24th of this year. And it's going to be for PC, PlayStation 4, 5, Xbox One, Xbox XS, and Nintendo Switch. Just thought I'd let you guys know that.
I'd also like to interject for a moment and say Baskin Robbins has free ice cream today, August 14th, so go on down and cool down, because it is hot out there. And remember, today only, people.
Yeah. That was Glitter Diva, guys.
Hi, everybody.
So, yeah. That's what's happening right now today. But also, want to let you guys know that I believe it was last night, around midnight or so, in the LA area, Pasadena, as well, that there was a 4.4 quake with everyone in the LA area felt, along with several aftershocks. It was so bad that even the seismologists, people had to take cover. And one of the schools, I forget which one, but it is on the news about it. Roof pipe water main broke, and people had to be evacuated to the sports field. So that's what happened. All right, so until next time, everyone, stay tuned.